Now, the virtual machine connection window will actually allow you to interact with the guest operating systems. You can think of it, as I said in the previous video, like the console view, the actual console window in VMware Workstation or VirtualBox. There are some action items, action menu items up at the top. You can start it or turn it off. You can shut it down or you can save it. Now, working with these internally, if you have to shut it down hard, as in, and shutting it down internally doesn't work, using the shutdown menu won't either. If all you have to do is essentially, it's like you're using the ACPI shutdown option in VMware Workstation. You're pulling the plug. Click turn off. Boom, it's done. You can also save it, pause it, reset it, set a checkpoint. You can use the Control-Alt-Delete option to send a Control-Alt-Delete into the system. Now, this is particularly useful if you're simulating Server 2016 inside Server 2016, and of course the guest OS. I mean, if you're going down the rabbit hole like this, Server 2016 simulated inside a simulated Server 2016 inside VMware Workstation inside Windows 10. If you do Control-Alt-Delete out here in the real world, your host machine will capture that keystroke sequence. If you're trying to send the Control-Alt-Delete in VMware to the host guest, the Control-Alt-Delete button in VMware will do the job. If you need to send Control-Alt-Delete to the guest operating system, you're going to need that Control-Alt-Delete menu option. The media menu will also allow you right now, if there's only a DVD drive, it'll allow you to connect to something or not, eject or choose a file. If you don't have a diskette drive, you won't see that option. If you haven't even added a DVD drive, you probably won't even see anything in the media menu. You can also use your clipboard menu, rather, to move things back and forth between either capture the screen, say inside the VM, or type clipboard text, and then that'll pop up inside the VM. You can also put these things into full screen mode. And then full screen mode will basically capture at least as much of the screen as you have available to you. And then you'll have that blue trapezoid thing that really looks like a remote desktop connection, which unfortunately we don't have a picture of here. I will probably demo that at some point. Now, the next thing we're going to do is talking about working with these virtual machines, and we're going to do some basic functions, and then we're going to move on to ISOs, installing guest operating systems, and integrated services. And then after that, adding and removing VMs and dealing with checkpoints. So that's the next, about the next 3 videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll keep going.